God made the world. God made the world. God made the sky. God made the fish and the bird that fly. Animals, flowers, and the trees so tall. God made everything big and small. God made everything I may see. God made you and God made me. God made the world.
Oo.
12 disciples of Jesus, Peter,